So I'm Erin Hall. I am the Executive Director of Neighborhood Christian Legal Clinic. I've been in my role here for about 3 years, but I've been a supporter of the clinic since I got out of law school. And it's been exciting. This formed out of a church partnership with Tabernacle Presbyterian, starting back in 1992 with a Palm Sunday sermon and a group of attorneys who took a vision forward that this area of the city really needed access to more resources and that legal aid should be a part of the ministry of the church. And really has grown and become its own established ministry, supported by many churches and other foundations and organizations and individuals throughout the city. Our clinic right now tries to provide access to justice to anyone who needs it. So at the very top tier, we have a consult with a lawyer and an online legal help program where anyone can walk in with a legal need of any nature here at the clinic on Monday mornings between 9 and 11, and then at community partner sites throughout the week, which they can find on our website. And that allows anyone really to triage a legal issue, to understand it better, to get resources, or have access to an intake or a referral. So that's sort of our top tier, served broadly. From there, we really try to meet the biggest areas of community need. So right now we have an attorney shortage, where 96% of those who need to speak to an attorney are not going to have access. So we want to meet that need. There's a housing crisis. So one of our programs is our Housing and Consumer Justice program that really focuses on eviction prevention for those facing eviction or habitability issues here in central Indiana. And then really economic sustainability is the other piece of major need. And we serve that in several ways. So we have our reentry program that provides access to criminal record expungement and driver's license reinstatement that really helps support economic stability, upward mobility in the workforce. Our humanitarian immigration program provides access to employment and stability in our communities. And then our low-income taxpayer clinic helps those who either need help getting money back from the IRS or determining how much they really owe, responding to inquiries, working in partnership with the Bonner Center and other VITA sites in our community who do that primary tax filing. And then our final program is an expansion of a program we've had for over 10 years that has become a full-fledged Veterans Justice program. So we can serve veterans more broadly in 2025, and we're excited about that. Really helping veterans who've served our country make sure that they have stability and are able to flourish in our community. In fact, many of our clients pay it forward by donating after they've received assistance, which is sort of affirmation to us that the work that we've done has really help them move forward in their life, and they want someone else to experience that joy and that freedom. The 2019 Civil Legal Aid Study showed that even with legal aid organizations like Neighborhood Christian Legal Clinic in existence, 96% of the legal need is going unmet, and 1 in 5 households is facing a legal crisis every year. And so we have that coupled with an attorney shortage of 1 in 10,000, one attorney for every 10,000 Hoosiers. The need is great, and so we could double, triple, quadruple in size, and we would not have mission creep at all. We would just be beginning to meet the need in central Indiana. Clinic staff has really grown since the pandemic. We're proud to have 14 staff attorneys, a total of 38 staff. Right now, last year we had 18 volunteer attorneys providing over 350 hours of legal service and another 1,200 hours of non-legal volunteer worker service that we're really excited to share, because I think a lot of folks look at us and say, you're the Neighborhood Christian Legal Clinic. Like, I'm not an attorney. What can I do? You can support the work. You can help spread resources and education. You can come offer hospitality, prayer, referral services, and other things that either encourage our staff or our clients or really support the work that we do. In 2025, we are hoping to have more volunteers. We have this technology, we have the partnerships in place, we have the history, we have the know-how to meet some of this legal need. And the more attorneys who can volunteer to work alongside us, it'll give a lot of more breadth to our program. So we're very excited, like I said, about our Veterans Justice program, which is providing more access to justice, serving more veterans than we've ever served before. We're excited to find that our expungement help desk is serving twice as many clients per office hour as we were prior to implementing the technological improvements that we've done. And we really just need to partner with more churches to support our mission and more volunteers to really get excited about what we're doing realize that they can do something about everything that's going on in the world around us and participate in changing lives one at a time here at the clinic.